here and check this default demo page for PyPy home page. So here we can see this is the class name, and we imported like from pages page, and then by class and inherited page. Okay, page class, and this is the page PyPy home PyPy home page class constructor, and in that we are calling the constructor of page class, passing driver and logger instances to it. And this is the URL of pypy.home page, that is this one. Okay, org. And then this is the text box search method. Okay, we can see here that this is the search text box. If you inspect, by the way, I am using Chrome browser, and here you will see, let me go here and click. Here we can see this is the input tag, and this is the search ID. So this way we have identified our search element and search button this time, and these are the convention that I would like to share with you that should be preferred. Button for BTN, text box for text box TXT, for link LNK, like that. And this is the standard. And again, let's this is the locator for this one. Let me call it CSS locator. If you search, this will uniquely identify this button element. Okay, and then this is the associated method open URL. It will open the URL. Then this is search button is present or not. This will return search button is present. And this is method for type search keyword. So this is log type search keyword that will be passed, and then send key method. Okay, let's create one more page method, that is search method, right? So self.logger.info, and then your message, click on search button, right? Search button, and then do a self.click, and then pass reference to it, self.btn search. You pass it, and what it will do, it will let me do nRoBo. So it will redirect to this search page, right? So it is the good time to create a new page object. Let's create Python file, name it page, and PyPy page search simply, or we can say PyPy search, but since this is just a search, so this is search page. So first thing is from pages import base class, that is page class. Then create our definition of class page search, and then make sure inherit base class page, and then define constructor. Define constructor, right? And pass two parameters, driver and logger, that will be in turn supplied by the test method, and call it super constructor super dot init. Pass that driver and logger instance, and then okay, then comes the page locators that you are looking for, right? So in our case, we want to search for this one, inspect. So let's say if you want to identify this one, Control F, the panel will open here, dot and then package class name. So this has two results. Okay, so we need to filter it again. So that is again a spawn tag, so spawn and then class name, nothing found. Okay, so again two matches found, so we need to again do a quick search. So again let's come to S3, add S3 as well, and again two elements. So let's go further, let's say A, again 2, and let's do a quick filter. href is equal to /project /nRoBo /dot. Okay, so this is the unique locator, so we will use this one in our project. So we will call it lnk nRoBo link, and here we will say by. Okay, let me import by. So from selenium.webdriver.common import. Okay, there is by class, then from where import by. So let's define tuple by dot css selector comma pass the selector value, and then associated method, associated page method, that would be like is nRoBo link is present. Okay, and self dot logger dot info, check if nRoBo link is available. Okay, and we will return results self dot is displayed, and our locator is self dot link lnk nRoBo link. Okay, this will return boolean result. Okay, let's reformat. This will return boolean. Okay, and again go to here. So whenever user will click on search button, that will return our page search. Okay, and we will pass driver and logger. Okay, it is giving, let's import our page. So from pages dot page search import page search, and we will return here. This is self dot driver and this is self dot logger. So that is done, and now let's go to test page, define a test. So let's define a test here. Make sure that this test keyword, always test method starts with test keyword. So test underscore test search page is available. Test that nRoBo package is available on PyPy org. Okay, and driver and logger will be supplied by nRoBo itself. So let's create page by home, and pass the driver and logger instance and name the instance a good name, page underscore py underscore home is equal to this. Very first thing is open URL and then type search keyword, that is nRoBo, and then page py dot search, right? If I go here, so this is returning page search. Okay, so let's come back to test page. This will result page search, right? So do a page search, okay, and then put a checkpoint. These are the assertions used for testing. So let's put an assert on page search dot is present and nRoBo link is present, and that is ready. So open the terminal view and then run the project. So nRoBo will run both the tests from the ID. So test has started running. Preparing HTML report. First test has started. Go to py.org. Another test has started here, and close the window. We can see the results. Here we can see there are two tests now, both have passed, right? If we open it, we can see the URL. So in this page we can see we are at home page. Let's close it and let's open this one, and here we can see we are on search page. So that is our proof of testing. So that's all about developing a test and understanding a project. Thank you.